Most people are still dropshipping the old way, spending hours finding products, building stores from scratch, and struggling to make any good ads. But now with AI, you can do all of that in a fraction of the time. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to build a full dropshipping store using AI to handle almost everything. But I wanna be clear, AI doesn't replace your skills. It just speeds everything up. You still need to know what to look for. And that's exactly what I'll be walking you through step by step in this video. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So obviously with dropshipping, it all starts with the actual product you sell. And instead of guessing, I'm gonna go straight to what's already working right now. So I'll log into the ad spy tool I use, and this one specifically is offered by Zik. I'll leave a link for you guys down below in case you wanna try it out yourself. But I'm taking a look at all the top performing Facebook ads right now. We'll take a look at ads that are going to Shopify and WooCommerce stores that are active over the last 30 days, and I wanna find both image and video ads. I'll ignore all of this other criteria for now, but I do wanna sort this by the actual ad duration instead. So all these ads you see right here have been running the longest. And typically the longer an ad is running, the better it's performing, because that just means the ad's receiving more ad spend than any of the other ads on the platform. And a brand wouldn't keep investing into the same ad over and over again each month if it wasn't working for them. So all these ads right up here at the top are definitely the best performing products right now. So I'm looking for clean creatives, clear products, and ads that look like they've been running for a really long time. Because like I said, if an ad is still running, it's usually making pretty good money. So I just came across this winning ad right here. As you guys can see, it was actually launched in the beginning of last month. So it's been live for 48 days. We can see that they're targeting the US, UK, as well as Canada. And it's for this mini action camera. This is a winning product that I've seen many times in the past. So I see this product pick up and perform well every single year around this time. As it's spring, it starts to warm up outside. People are doing more things outside. And when people are doing cool stuff and just having fun, they want to record it. And this is the perfect thing. And this ad stood out because it's simple, visual, and easy to understand. And that's exactly what you want. So now you need a supplier for this product. You can go ahead and source a supplier using AI with their supplier finder right here. And it's gonna scan AliExpress for the best suppliers for whatever product you wanna source. And this is a quick way to find suppliers and get product data fast. But realistically, you don't wanna depend on AliExpress long term. That's because when you depend on AliExpress, most of the time your products take over 30 days to arrive. They arrive broken, if they even arrive at all. So to save yourself the headache, you'll wanna go ahead and source a private supplier for any product you sell. So what I like to do instead is use a supplier like TeemDrop once I know a product is validated and it already works. So it's okay to use AliExpress in the very beginning, but once you start generating consistent sales every single day, like 3 to 5 sales each and every day, you need to move on and find a private supplier. So I'll go on their TeemDrop catalog right here and I'll type in the name of our product, the mini camera, and I'll scroll through here until I find the exact one we're looking for. So here's the exact same product from AliExpress, but this time we can get it for $19 instead of $24. And that $24 on AliExpress was already a really good price. But it just goes to show that when you source a product with a private supplier, you can get faster shipping and your pricing will go way down. Because most people think AliExpress has the cheapest prices, but that's simply not true. Private suppliers will get you the cheapest product costs out of anybody out there. So now we have faster shipping and it's more reliable, which is perfect for scaling. And this is the kind of setup you actually want if you're going to build a real brand. Now let's actually build the store. I'm gonna sign up for a new Shopify account. If you guys sign up with the link I have for you guys down below, you can actually get started for just $1 a month for your first 3 months. And that deal is insane. That way you can start generating real sales before you have to pay any Shopify fees or anything. Then I'm gonna go back into TeemDrop. I'm gonna click store management right here, authorize store. Now this account is already tied to one of my own stores already, but I'm gonna go ahead and click on add store, select Shopify store and click authorize. Then once you have your Shopify store paired up to TeemDrop, go back to the product you want to upload, click list to store right here, and you guys can customize everything from the variants and the pricing to the images and videos and your description. So once you have it uploaded to Shopify, it will look just like this. I went ahead and had the Shopify AI assistant write a description for me, but I would definitely write something a lot more high quality and detailed than this. And then you can import all of your product images right off of TeemDrop. or have AI generate everything for you. Like if you go back into TeemDrop and go on their AI design tool right here, you can click product main image. You're gonna go ahead and upload an image of your product right here. You can select your model right here. They have everything from Nano Banana to ChatGPT to Sora image. They even have Seed Dream if you want to use it, but I usually go with Nano Banana, or in other words, Gemini 3.1. So for the prompt right here, I'll just say have a young male athlete wearing this action camera. And let's go ahead and generate an image. And here's what it came up with right here. This is incredible. You guys can do this for any customer avatar out there for any product you want to sell. So I could change this from something like extreme sports like we have right here to something more calm like baseball if I wanted to target baseball. But there's so many different audiences you could sell this mini camera to. So I'll throw it into Shopify, and this is our perfect product cover image. We'll click save, and you guys can generate as many of these as you want to, but for what we have right here, this looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and customize our website or our actual theme. And I don't want to overcomplicate this. I just want something that's clean and ready to start testing. Now I actually created my own Shopify theme that simplifies this entire process and lets you test any product you want to sell in a matter of minutes. Because I was constantly testing hundreds of products each and every week, and building a new store around each product took so much time. So I wanted to build a theme I could upload to any store and start testing products right away. And I'm constantly adding to this theme, but it has everything from AI integrations to a sticky add to cart button to bundle options, UGC sections, and everything you need to sell products. So I'll click import theme right here, and I'll go ahead and upload the theme I created. We'll choose the Advantage Plus theme and go ahead and upload it. Now I'll go ahead and leave a link for this theme down below in case you guys want to try it out yourself. And like I already mentioned, I'm constantly adding new updates to this theme each and every month based on what's currently working right now. So I'll click publish here. This is the theme I want to use on this store. And then I'll click edit theme, and let's get everything set up. So the way I have this theme set up is to where you just have to customize a couple different things. This is set up specifically for one product store, so you can plug one product into this and create an entire branded website in a matter of minutes. So we have our mini action camera right here. We have some guarantees right here. You can go ahead and upload some UGC videos of your actual product right here for social proof. We have our bundling options. We can go ahead and edit all of these reviews right here. Same with the FAQs, as well as this section down here. So make any changes you need to on the homepage to clean everything up, add everything you need to. Then let's move into where the actual money is made. Your product page. So same thing on here. I set this up to optimize for conversions. We have a sticky add to cart button that follows us. We have a high quality product description. We have our reviews, our bundle options. We have our trust badges, our UGC section, upsells. You have everything you need on this product page to start making sales right away. And because I coded all of this into this theme, you don't have to download any additional apps that are gonna slow down your store. This is what I've been using for every new store I launched lately. So you guys can just go ahead and create or download a few videos of your actual product. What I like to do is just download a couple viral TikTok videos, throw them in this UGC section, and then you have some high quality visuals on your product page. That's really all you need to do. And you don't need 20 different apps to get started. You just need a solid foundation. So once you guys have a basic store that's ready to launch and start testing that product, I'm gonna move back into the Ad Spy tool, and I'm gonna find some ads that we can go ahead and recreate. So find as many trending ads around your product as you can, and we're gonna recreate them with AI. So to start, we need a customer avatar just like the one that's being promoted in these videos, because we can assume our competitor already did all of the research here based on the fact that this ad is already converting well for them. So for this guy right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and say like middle-aged baseball dad. So I just moved into ChatGPT and I had it create a new AI avatar around a middle-aged baseball dad instead. And this is very similar to the guy in the video that we were just taking a look at. So you can go ahead and download your image right here, and we're gonna move back into TeemDrop, but this time let's go into their AI design, and we're gonna go to their video design tool. So start by uploading a product image. We'll use the exact same one we already took off of TeemDrop. And then for mood images right here, you're gonna go ahead and upload your AI avatar. So for your video intent right here, you just wanna describe the scene and exactly what you're looking for. You can actually have AI come up with your entire script for you as well, but then you're just gonna go ahead and paste your video script right here, or exactly what you want out of this video. You'll select landscape or portrait. Since we're doing UGC videos, we'll wanna go ahead and select portrait. And for your model right here, this is where you choose your AI video model. So they have both Google Veo as well as Seedance 1.5, and they're constantly adding to this. So once you have all of your images uploaded, all of your prompts created, and everything's ready to go ahead and click generate video. And video generation usually takes anywhere between 2 to 5 minutes. So I'll get back to you guys in just a moment when it's done. All right, that actually took a little bit longer than expected, like 10 minutes, but our video ad is done. Let's see what it came up with.
Put this little guy on my shirt and I'm hands-free. It's smaller than my thumb, but it shoots in crisp 4K and the magnet keeps it locked in no matter how much I move. I can focus on coaching and still catch every...
Wow, that video is incredible. I knew we were gonna get a high quality video, but I was expecting nothing like this. Usually it takes a couple generations before you get something this good. So it was high quality, 4K, it was very engaging, the scene switched every couple of seconds, and this AI avatar looked entirely real. This is a perfect video. You can add captions to it, add any music, B-roll, anything you want to, but I would absolutely start running ads to this tonight. So now let's compare these. Here was the original ad that we came across, and here's our new AI version of it. This would have taken hours and thousands of dollars before, but now you can do it in a matter of minutes, completely free with AI. And look how much better our video looks. This is insane. So now at this point, you have a product, a supplier, a store, and some high quality ad creatives. And you can start creating videos just like this and post them on TikTok every day, and then start running ads to your best performing videos. That's the fastest way to start making sales with your new store. But this is the direction that e-commerce is heading. AI isn't replacing businesses like everyone said, it's just making it easier to start and scale them. And if you repeat everything I just showed you in this video, you'll have your own store that's ready to launch tonight. And that's exactly how I launch any new product I test, letting AI do all of the hard work for me. Because now AI can find your products, build your website, write your descriptions, even create your ads. It literally does everything for you. So if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. I have a ton of resources linked down below for you guys, like my free course to help you get started. Don't miss out on any of those. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.